Happy Monday, beefy besties. Manif and I are at Michael's. Spring is here despite the cold, windy day. We are going to head to Michael's to see their latest spring collection because it's almost gardening season. And since Michael's is beef friendly, beefers will be coming along for the journey. You're so eepy. Come on, mon beefiest meters. Let's go shopping, no fee. You're so handsome, sir. I know, you're so handsome. Good grief, beef, it's super windy out today, sir. Are you looking at the balloons, sir? His name's Beef.
Beef?
Beef, yeah.
Hi. I've never seen somebody bring their cat in.
I know, look how pretty the Easter garland is, sir. I literally love this macaroon garland. What are you doing, Manif? I know my meters. You're such a happy beef, sir. Flopping all over the place, Beefy. Oh, there you go, sir. Beef, did you find the garland? The way you sit like such a good boy in the cart, Manif. Oh, Beef, the spring collections are so pretty. Beefers, it's the Michael's jungle. Is that a good plant, sir? Beefers, are you hiding between the monstera? You're rolling around again, sir. Beef, you can't eat them, sir. Are you flopping in the floral? Do you want up in the cart, my love? I know you're so rough, sir. Come here, mon needs. You're such a handsome boy making cart biscuits, mon beefy meters. You're such a distinguished, gentle beef, my love.
Hey, I go shopping with the mom.
We'll get some of these decorative eggs. We'll get some of these decorative eggs, sir. Some of these decorative eggs. And get some decorative buns, sir. What about a giant pink egg? Let's get one of those too. Okay, beefers, time to go, sir. Beef, get over here, sir. Let's go. What are you doing? All right, beefers, you ready to go? I love you so much, money. Okay, beefers, don't forget to tell your besties to like, repost, and subscribe for the beefiest content, sir.